Are you ready to enjoy easy, fluffy omelets, savory stuffed peppers, perfect pineapple upside-down cake, and fantastic fondue made right in your microwave in minutes? Introducing MaxStone Gourmet Microwave Cooker, the sensational ceramic cooker that makes delicious gourmet meals in minutes. Watch how easy. Just add eggs, ham and cheese, stir, cover and cook for 2 minutes. Wow, a perfect omelet just like that. The secret is the ceramic flavor infusion design. As MaxStone Gourmet heats up, the specially designed pot recirculates heat to infuse the food with concentrated flavor, while the chimney lid automatically releases steam to prevent overcooking. It practically does the cooking for you, and the results are delicious. Clay pot cooking has been revered for years for its incredible flavor and ability to preserve food's nutrients. Now, MaxStone Gourmet gives you the same savory clay pot cooking experience right in your microwave. But with MaxStone Gourmet, you can cook in it, eat out of it, and never have to dirty another pan or dish. You get 5-star restaurant cooking at the speed of a microwave meal. Steam green beans in just 2 minutes. Make delicious brownies in just 4 minutes. Prepare creamy, cheesy potatoes in 3 minutes. Create delicious nacho cheese dip in just 2 minutes. Prepare gourmet French onion soup in just 4 minutes. And make fresh, steamed shrimp in just 3 minutes. And look, you can fit 4 MaxStone Gourmets in the microwave at the same time to make a different meal for each member of your family. Ordinary pans require unhealthy oil or butter to keep food from sticking. But thanks to MaxStone Gourmet's slick ceramic nonstick surface, you cook without the extra fat, so you'll eat healthier and maintain your figure. Traditional nonstick pans contain PTFE and PFOAs, toxic chemicals that flake off into food. But MaxStone Gourmet's durable ceramic coating is chemical-free and has no problem holding up to everyday use. The ceramic handle stays cool to the touch for easy handling, and nothing sticks to it. Even this sticky, delicious fondue wipes right off for easy cleaning every time. MaxStone Gourmet's breakthrough flavor infusion technology cooks food to perfection in minutes. Why spend hours cooking and cleaning when you can enjoy a wonderful full-course meal in minutes? You'll also receive the MaxStone Gourmet Recipe Guide absolutely free. It's filled with flavorful meal ideas for your MaxStone Gourmet. Enjoy restaurant-quality meals in minutes. Order MaxStone Gourmet Microwave Cooker right now.